The use of a series of overflowing ponds, not just to assist drainage but to boost biodiversity, attracted our judges to this project at Ardleigh in Oxfordshire. Smith & Sons Bletchington and their advisors ESP recognised that the farmland produced under their original restoration scheme would not be of high quality. But by contrast, they saw huge potential in biodiversity. The company also needed to protect not one but two geological SSSIs within the quarry, one of them involving the footprints of dinosaurs. Sorting out the drainage in close consultation with Natural England was crucial to their new ideas. An imaginative approach to managing water has created excellent wetland habitats and added significant value over what was originally planned.
The drainage issues that we had here was effectively this was a restored bowl with a clay floor. So no specific drainage other than possibly allowing it to drain away to a sump. That wasn't going to work. So we tried to come up with a innovative solution by creating a gorge through the geological treble SI with the permission of Natural England, and to create a natural rock weir. And the level of the rock weir that we've created controls surface water, manages the levels in the three interlinked ponds, and doesn't allow the rest of the grassland to flood. The biodiversity potential at this site is very specific to freshwater habitats. The three interlinked ponds, each of which have their own specific profiles, provide clean water environments for a range of invertebrates, and that in turn attracts a full range of wader birds and other bird populations. It's a terrific opportunity to see the two interacting with one another.
The second project on our shortlist is Hanson's work in creating a safe refuge for the endangered white-clawed crayfish at its Whiteball quarry in Somerset. The company was originally approached by BugLife to suggest suitable sites as part of its nationwide campaign to save the crayfish from its American invader.
Once we'd identified that the lake was a potential suitable site for an ARC project, we first had to do some water quality testing to ensure it was the right pH and quality to be able to introduce the crayfish. We then had to carry out some amphibian surveys to see what other amphibians were also there. We found great crested newts and 4 other amphibian species. We also carried out invertebrate surveys to ensure that it was food for the crayfish once brought in. We then had to look at actual habitat enhancements. We had to incorporate some stone so they had refugia to actually live in, and also some brushwood faggots that were made out of offcuts of brushwood wrapped around some concrete blocks so they'd sink, so they could use those as foraging and as refuse sites as well as the rocks. It's been a really unique opportunity. It's been a long process with all the actual enhancements and surveys that we've had to do, but it's been thoroughly rewarding. We've ultimately hopefully helped to sustain a population of a very endangered species, the white-clawed crayfish. It's added to our own site biodiversity action plan objectives, and it's been a really positive and unique opportunity to work with BugLife to gain from their experience, to actually establish a partner and a working relationship going forward.